If you could bottle passion, it would just be chili oil. There's nothing else in food that I've experienced that elicits such a universally strong response. The color, the fragrance, the heat, the sensation, everything about it is designed to thrill you. On one hand, it's so powerful on its own, but it still needs food to be complete. See, I believe that chili oil itself should have heat and fragrance, but little to no flavor. It shouldn't be salty. Spice and heat aren't actually flavors, they're feelings. While your taste receptors recognize saltiness, sweetness, bitterness, and umami, spiciness, heat, that's recognized by your pain receptors. It's a completely different message sent to your brain. The heat from the chili and the buzzing numbness from the Szechuan peppercorns work back and forth. What a good chili oil does is turn your food into something you feel as deeply as you taste it without adding to its flavor. The fragrance of the spices adds depth but shouldn't be distracting. It doesn't just enhance flavor, it weaponizes it. When I set out to make my chili oil, I add spices in stages. My own blend uses hearty and delicate spices, some that can last in hot oil for a while and some that would quickly burn. I took this method while reading about curries and how some spices and masalas are added at different times so as to give a good curry levels of flavor without burning it. When it comes to cooking with spice, I still believe that Indian cuisine is a blueprint. When you start experimenting with your own blend, remember this. Look at the spice and think about when you should put it in. Remember that time is an ingredient regardless of how much of it goes into your recipe. This isn't something I can write down for you. I can only give you the foundation on which you build upon. As far as what chili oil is good on, it's hard for me not to add it to everything. When I was starting out, it got to the point where using it in a dish felt like cheating. My favorite uses are simple: topping noodles, scrambled eggs, or eating dumplings with them paired with 1 crushed clove of raw garlic and a drop of light soy sauce. On the other hand, you can get creative with it too. Take a batch of chili oil and confit chorizo in there and make chorizo chili oil, or just use it as the best thing you can put on any late night pizza or wings. Oh yeah, and thanks for helping me hit 500K on TikTok. I appreciate it, and I appreciate you.